Hi, sisters and friends. It's Trevana Parker here with 9 Plus Family Banking Chronicles and Concepts. And today I want to talk to you about the steps of becoming your own family bank. And the reason I want to talk to you guys about this is because I have no idea why I'm out of breath, but I wanted to talk to you guys about this because I made a video recently about term life insurance and whether or not it is false advertising. And of course, anything can be false advertising depending on who you're talking to. And I wanted to kind of get on just as a follow up to that video because we don't know what we don't know. In the video, I did explain to you guys that term life insurance is not a false advertising. It is not a false advertisement, depending on how you actually put the information out there. As I said in the video, most term policies do not get cashed out. I also said that by the time a term life insurance is renewed, the price keeps increasing because it goes by age and current health conditions. And so why would one get a term life insurance? Well, there is the stair stepping of your family bank. So when you first get into family banking, you may find out that you have not set yourself up in a place to jump right into a whole life insurance policy so that you can take the benefits of your whole life insurance policy, namely cash value benefits, where you're actually able to accumulate cash into your whole life insurance policy and therefore use that whole life insurance policy, the cash benefits, as your personal bank, where you can take out loans against it, where you can also take those loans and then fund any business ventures, pay for college, pay for home purchases, those kind of things. That's the benefit and that's the process to use when it comes to family banking. However, some of us have waited too late. We may be a little too old, or we may not have the funds that we need to get that process started right away. And therefore, let me just take a time out here. I apologize. I still don't have a microphone for the audio. And I'm outside, so you're hearing airplanes, bugs, birds. It's just a nice day, and I wanted to be out here, so I apologize for all of that. While we're here, if you could, please like, subscribe, and share the video, and also share the channel. Click the notification button so that you can get notifications when I upload a video. But going back to the term life insurance policy, some of us have waited too late to actually jump into the benefits, or we have not set ourselves up properly to jump into the benefits of the whole life banking system. And that's where the term life comes in, because although most term policies are not actually utilized, the ones that are utilized are a real blessing to those who need them. So for example, if I can't set myself up for a whole life policy where I'm creating cash value and creating things to pass on to my children, and I'm paying for college and I'm funding their business ventures and things like that, I can still have a policy in place as a first step to getting me to a place as a first step of protection as I get myself into a place of processing and possibly implementing a whole life insurance policy so that I can do my family banking. So that's the first phase of the stair stepping that I wanted to address in the video, because it is a process. You don't know what you don't know, and as you learn, you implement things. So you may buy yourself a term life policy, then you may later convert it. You may get yourself a whole life policy with a term rider attached so that you can utilize some of the term benefits while you're adjusting the whole life benefits. There's so much to learn when it comes to this, and of course no one tells you about it, because the more that you are oblivious to your own capabilities, the more people can prey on you. Even those who are well-meaning can prey on you. And I say well-meaning because, you can offer a 5% interest rate or a 10% interest rate if the other guy's offering 12 or 20, but 5%, it's still high depending on what's going on. So that's the first level, the first layer. The second layer is generational. So if you have not set yourself up properly to maximize the benefits of whole life and the family banking, you can at least get yourself some term and then teach the next generations what to do when they're left that term insurance. Teach them the processes to create generational sustainability. You know, as I say, I'm just a Christian mom on her journey of understanding, introducing, and implementing the concepts of family banking to my family. I don't know it all. I have made some poor mistakes, and so, you know, me diving right in there to get this done, it's a process that I'm learning. So I'm giving you what I know, and it's for you to research and share with your family. And although I am learning the ropes of being a financial advisor, I'm not your financial advisor, contracted financial advisor. So I'm just sharing with you what I know. And as we go on the journey of implementing the family banking concepts, we may have to wait a generation. And we just laid the foundation of leaving some wealth and teaching our children what to do. And so when I talk about the 5 F's, I talk about faith, I talk about family, I talk about finances, I talk about fitness, and I talk about fun. Those are all important for us to not just set up the finances, because we can go crazy trying to set up the finances if we've set ourselves up for failure early on. We're also trying to teach all of those concepts so that the next generation is a lot stronger than we are right now. So I just wanted to put that out there. No, term life insurance is not false advertising. It's a stepping stone. It is a stepping stone, and it is important that we understand its capabilities and its limitations. So yes, term life insurance is something that we should consider. It's also something that we should be aware of, the fact that most term policies don't cash out, but those that do are such a blessing to those who needed them. And also, as you renew your term, the prices get higher and higher. So just wanted to put that out there, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the message. Again, if you could, please like, subscribe, and share the channel. Enjoy the bug sounds in the background, and Lord willing, I will get a microphone soon. Other than that, you guys have a great day and keep your money safe. Bye now.